So this is grafting day, and that's my cell builder. And I don't believe in this, in these little nuke box cell builders. I believe in making a colony that's so full of bees and nurse bees and field bees and resources that they can't help but draw out beautiful cells. They're still full of jelly on the day I put them in the mating nukes. But anyway, you can see what I'm talking about. You know, look at the bees. There's the space I'm going to be putting the graft into, which is this. This is the graft. And there's so many bees down in there that the grafting frame, the cell bar frame, won't even fit down in there. So you have to let it kind of sit on top of all those bees, and it sort of goes down all there by itself. You see there, it goes down, and it's going to go down. And it's just sitting on bees in there, you know? And down it goes, and you wiggle it around a little bit, and it'll seat itself, and the bees will move out of their way. And there, now it's down in. I mean, look at that. You know, it's so full of bees. It's just amazing. I made them queenless this morning. There's the queen right part of the hive right there behind it. So there's not a whole lot of lifting, and so this is a box of brood that I put above the hive about 10 days ago. So there's no larvae in this hive. And that's a partially filled honey super with no brood. And so I remove a couple of outside frames that don't have brood, and I make a space in the middle, and I put a pollen frame right here. So this is the pollen frame. And I make a space here, and that's where I'm going to put my graft later in the afternoon once these bees realize that they're hopelessly queenless. And there's just so many nurse bees in here. You know, almost all the nurse bees from that queen right hive, plus all the brood that's been hatching out in the last 10 days. And this is actually the third round. I'm getting a round of queen cells out of this colony every 20 days. So that's it. Now this is the feeder up here. I have to put the feeder back. See, there's the feeder. So I'll just put that back on top and cover it and keep the feed on it for 5 days until the cells are sealed. And then I'll remove it from the stand. I'll put the queen right colony, turn it around and put it back on the stand where it belongs, and put my cells above the queen right colony above a queen excluder. And 5 days later, which is day 10 after grafting, I'll take the cells out and I'll put them in my mating nukes. So that's my cell builder. Have a good day.